How to buy Apple gift card online. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To buy yourself Apple gift card, it is pretty simple. Launch your preferred browser and search for Apple gift card. You will find various of websites dealing with Apple gift card and sometimes Apple itself. The most legitimate one is from the Amazon. In your Amazon, you can directly search for Apple gift card as well. So firstly, you can select a design for your gift card. Secondly, select an amount. Then choose your delivery option as email or text message. Enter an email for recipient in the case of email. Then add your name and your message if you wish to. Select the quantity and select the date the gift card will be sent to the recipient. Tap on the Buy Now option. Now all you have to do is add a credit or debit card to purchase this gift card. Enter card number, expiration date, CVV, and your card holder name. Select on Add and Continue. After a successful payment, you will get yourself your very own Apple gift card. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.